Hi, I'm P&C Joe, and I only talk about commercial insurance. When it comes to property damage liability, understanding the nuances and importance is crucial for small business owners. This issue is significant because even minor accidents can lead to substantial financial responsibilities that could jeopardize a business's stability. Navigating the complexities of liability coverage requires a careful balance of risk assessment and practical protection strategies, making it a challenging but essential aspect of business management. Keep watching because in this video we will discuss these important topics. What is property damage liability? Why is property damage liability important? Included coverages explained, determining fault in an accident, coverage limits and deductibles, exclusions and limitations, subrogation rights, impact of claims on premiums, and a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Property damage liability is a part of auto insurance that covers the cost of damage you cause to someone else's property in a car accident. For example, if you accidentally crash into someone's fence or car, this insurance helps pay for the repairs. It's important because it protects you from having to pay a lot of money out of your own pocket. Property damage liability is important because accidents can happen. If you accidentally damage someone else's property, they might ask you to pay for it. This insurance helps make sure you don't have to pay a huge amount of money all at once. It keeps you safe from financial trouble if something goes wrong on the road. Property damage liability specifically covers damage to someone else's property. It does not include bodily injury liability, legal defense costs, medical payments, or loss of use, which are separate coverages that may be part of a comprehensive auto insurance policy. When an accident happens, figuring out who is at fault means deciding who caused the accident. This can be tricky, but usually the police and insurance companies help by looking at what happened. They consider things like who was driving too fast or not paying attention. Being at fault means your insurance might have to pay for the damage. Coverage limits are the maximum amount of money your insurance will pay for a claim. If the damage is more than this amount, you might have to pay the rest. A deductible is the amount of money you agree to pay before the insurance starts to help. For example, if your deductible is $500 and the damage is $2,000, you pay $500, and the insurance pays $1,500. Exclusions are situations where your insurance won't help cover the costs. For instance, if you damage your own property, property damage liability doesn't cover that. Limitations might mean that certain types of damage or costs are not fully covered. It's important to know these so you understand what your insurance will and won't pay for. Subrogation is a big word that means your insurance company can recover the money they paid out by going after the person who caused the accident. If someone else is at fault, your insurance might pay for your damages first, then try to get the money back from the other person's insurance. This process is subject to the terms and conditions of your policy and applicable laws. A premium is the amount you pay regularly for your insurance. If you make a claim, your premiums might go up, meaning you'll pay more for your insurance each month or year. This is because insurance companies see you as a higher risk if you've had accidents before. If the damage you cause is more than your coverage limit, you might have to pay the extra cost yourself. It is advisable to consider a coverage limit that aligns with your financial situation and risk exposure. Some people purchase additional insurance, such as umbrella insurance, for extra protection. Property damage liability covers damage you cause to others, while collision coverage pays for damage to your own car if you hit something. Both are important, but they cover different situations. For example, if you hit a tree, collision coverage helps fix your car, but if you hit someone else's car, property damage liability helps fix theirs. I hope today's discussion has shed light on the intricate world of property damage liability and its vital role in safeguarding your business from unforeseen financial challenges. Understanding these elements can empower you to make informed decisions, ensuring that you are adequately protected on all fronts. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.